The Digi EX15 cellular router can be installed simply and easily, wherever your cellular signal is strong. You can use the provided battery pack to help find the best location. We'll look at how to install the mounting bracket on a sheetrock wall, or on a drop ceiling, the two most common installations. Mark the sheetrock where you want the EX15 to be mounted. Select the sheetrock anchor style that best fits your needs. Then install them in the desired location. Next, install the mounting bracket to the anchors using the supplied hardware. Be sure to remove all cable assemblies and antennas from the EX15 device before snapping it into the mounting bracket. Now install the power source and interface cable assemblies. Finally, install the cellular antennas. And your EX15 is ready to go. After identifying a drop ceiling area that gets a strong cellular signal, install the supplied drop ceiling clips onto the EX15 mounting bracket. Be sure not to rotate beyond 35 degrees. Snap the EX15 into the mounting bracket. Now, install the antennas. Install the mounting bracket and device with drop ceiling clips to the chosen ceiling area. Finally, install the power source and interface cable assemblies. And your Digi EX15 is ready to go.